Okay, so this is the next Dollar Tree that's setting up. What it's supposed to, that's what it's going to do. Yeah, it's going to look like that. But as you can see, it's not as put together as the other Dollar Tree, but you know, they're getting their stuff. They got the paper. I see this is basil paper as well. Yep, they have basil. And that's basil. And they have multi-craft. So I'm expecting, I know they're supposed to be doing a couple in this area. It's another one set up in this area that has it. Yeah. So as you can see, they have the felt collection, and they have the cards, and they have the Forever Time double-sided tape, the traveler's bottles that you can use for multiple things. You have your storage, finger protectors, the ribbons. It's pretty much the same thing that I saw at the other one, the organized box. They got the photo corners. They got 3 different card sets: craft, the white, and the beige. And then they got the chalkboard cards as well. And then some of this foam, the felt stuff, but then you got your regular kind, you got your glittered, you got your clamps, you got your sheet protectors, and that's Forever in Time is the brand. And they got the kids scissors and some stickers and a little bit of bling, so that area is not filled up yet. These are some of the stuff that you already seen in the Dollar Tree before. And they just put it on this aisle over here. So they got the modern clay, which, like I said, most of the Jot stuff has already been out. So you do have your variety of adhesives. So they got Beacon. Haven't tried that, but it's all-purpose adhesive. Works on wood, paper, chalkboard, and more. Might have to get some. Of course, your Modge, Podge, your acrylic paints. And then they have that whole Tempura line of paints right here. Not as many as the other store. And the canvases. You have your flat ones. And then you have, these are your photo mounts. These are all flat canvases and a few regular width canvas in different sizes. 5x7, 6x8s, and 4x6s. Again, pretty much your stuff that you've seen before. Got stencils. So your butterflies. Your sea scene, like a beach nautical. Your President's birthday. Yeah, then they have the
Thank you. You too.
yeah, that's the love. What did it say? Be bold, be brave, be you. That's a cute one though. Home sweet home, dream big. So you have several different prints. This is paisley. Some of your hearts. So that's just kiss, if you can see that over there, love. So they do have more stencils here than I've seen at some of the other ones. So you go here, if you're into jewelry making, you have all your stuff, and then you got your little brushes for stenciling. Yeah, plenty of the yeah, if you're gonna make the jewelry, they've got plenty of that. The jump rings, bar pans, jewelry craft cord, your hemps, your leathers, and your snake chains, round head pins. So you just have to decide what kind of jewelry you like. And you've got all down here, all different types of trays of beads that they have that you can choose from. We have glass beads, or you can get the pack right here, and this comes with some wire and some lobster claws. And then you got your pony beads, and you can take these and melt these down and make you some enamel dots, or use them for hair braiding. Let's see. Let's see. We got eye pins, round head pins, and flat head pins. So again, if you're making jewelry, all your different chalk writers, and the different types of brushes. So over here you have your oil pastels, premium bright. You got this finger daubers, your artist brush sets, sponges, your paint pots. You can mix paints in here, store other stuff as well, your sponges. You got different types of glues, foam glues, your glitter glues. The glitter, I don't have as much as the other store. Puzzle savers, and here's the paint collection. So quite a variety of paints. And then it ends here basically with the wood that you can paint and alter. And then lastly, they just added on this one, they didn't make it go all the way down like the other store did, but they just added the craft stuff. Yeah. Which you've seen that before. But they have all of the different organizers with the lids. So pretty much all the kind that you would use. Three-pot trays. These are your little drawer trays. So they got quite a few of those. So that was the end of this particular Dollar Tree. There's another one that I heard in adjacent city that I'm gonna go check out hopefully in the next few days and do a video of that one to show you. So again, it's slowly coming. Every area is a little bit different. This one is still not as decorative as the other one, or as much items, but you can still get a few of it. So just be encouraged to know that your Dollar Tree should be getting this item soon. Take care. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. God bless.